So what I want you to do, to again take a deep breath in, all the way down into your stomach. Breathe out with a big sigh. With your eyes closed, I want you to imagine a mild anxiety-inducing situation. It could be something that we've worked on already this evening, or it could be something new. Something mild, not too serious. Maybe rate the anxiety on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being not too bad, 10 being terrible. This is known as a SUD score. Once you have that SUD score, once you've rated that anxiety, I want you to, again, open your eyes, come all the way back. Now take another deep breath in, all the way down into your stomach. Breathing out with a big sigh, allowing your eyes to close. And now with your eyes closed, I'd like you to imagine how you'd like to be in that situation. It could be that you'll be more confident, you'll be calmer, you'll be more at ease. Really picture that version of you. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to take that image, that more confident, calmer version of you, we're going to put it in the top right corner. And out in front of you is going to be the anxiety-inducing situation, the situation that causes you mild anxiety right now. And what we're going to do, we're going to swish those patterns around, those images around. So the confident version of you becomes large, and that anxiety-inducing situation, that anxious version of you, moves up into the top right corner. So doing that now, swishing those patterns around. Confident version of you becoming large, and the old version of you moving up into the top right corner. Now that confident version of you is large, I'd like to imagine connecting with that version of you, seeing through their eyes, feeling what you feel, hearing what you hear, seeing what you see, feeling those feelings of confidence, calm. Then again, coming out of that version of you, the anxiety-inducing situation is again large. The confident version of you is in the top right corner. Again, we're going to swish those patterns around. So doing that now, swish. Confident version of you becoming large. The old anxiety-inducing situation moving up into the top right corner. Again, connecting with that confident version of you, seeing how those things are going to change. Then when you're ready, you can open your eyes, coming all the way back. And again, taking that SUD score, seeing if that SUD score has reduced down. If it has, let me know in the chat box and comments. Let me know what your SUD score went down to. So with the swish pattern, you want to keep doing that. You want to keep swishing those images around, making the old image small and the confident, calm image large, connecting with that confident and calm version of you. You want to keep doing that until you can no longer get back the old image, until you can no longer remember that old anxiety-inducing situation. That usually takes 5 wishes for most people. It may take 4 for you, may take less